Welcome to Gourmet and Fun, a channel dedicated to sharing recipes that strive to make your everyday meal a gourmet experience, all without breaking the bank. Today's recipe, American-style sweet and sour chicken. This sweet and sour chicken is crispy, tender, and coated in a delicious tangy sauce. It's a homemade take on a takeout classic. Easy to prepare, and it comes together quickly with simple ingredients. The ingredients you'll need for today's recipe: for the chicken, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, a half a cup of cornstarch, a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 large eggs, beaten, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil for frying. For the sweet and sour sauce, a half a cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger or ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic minced, and a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. For the vegetables, a half a cup of bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, all sliced thinly, a half a cup of onion sliced into 1/4 moons, and a half cup of pineapple chunks, fresh or canned. Make sure to drain if using canned. You'll also need chopped green onions and sesame seeds for garnish, and either rice or noodles to serve it with. Step 1. Prepare the chicken. In a shallow bowl, combine the cornstarch, flour, salt, and black pepper. Dip each piece of chicken into the beaten eggs, then coat in the cornstarch flour mixture. It's best to use 2 hands on this, 1 hand in the egg, then swap over to the other for the dry mix. This will minimize the risk of caked up and gluey hands. Heat a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 5 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. Remove the cooked chicken from the skillet and set it aside on a paper towel lined plate to drain off excess oil. Step 2. Prepare the sweet and sour sauce. In a small saucepan, combine the ketchup, apple cider vinegar, honey, soy sauce, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let the sauce simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly. Once the sauce coats the back of a spoon, add the red pepper flakes and stir to combine. Step 3. Cook the vegetable. In the same skillet as the chicken, without wiping it out, and you can even add a little more oil if you need, saute the bell peppers and onion over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they are tender but crisp. Then add pineapple chunks and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until heated through. Step 4. Combine the chicken and sauce. Once the vegetables are ready, return the fried chicken to the skillet and pour the sweet and sour sauce over everything. Toss gently to coat the chicken and vegetables evenly with the sauce. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to coat the chicken and vegetables over evenly. Step 5. Serve. Serve the sweet and sour chicken hot over steamed rice or noodles. Garnish with your chopped green onions and sesame seeds. If you enjoyed this recipe, please comment down below, share us on social media, give us a like, and subscribe to the channel to never miss a new taste sensation.